How to remove your website from your account on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK and then click on your profile here and top corner, and then click these 3 points and click edit profile. Now scroll all the way down until you find contacts, and here we'll find website. Now just click on it and remove it, and then click on your profile and then click this icon here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.